Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can see your comments in YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel. Also be sure to like and comment. So, let us get started with you. First of all, open YouTube on your Android device or on your iPhone. Then go to your page, and then click on the gear at the top, and then scroll down. You'll see a function called Manage All Stories. Select that. And in a few seconds, this window will load completely for you. After that, go to Interactions, and here you'll go to Comments and Replies. This will take you to a complete list of all the comments you've ever left on the YouTube app from this Google account. And if you want to revisit a video that you've commented on, you just click on that video, so you go to it, or the title of the video, which is highlighted in blue. And if you want to delete any of your comments, then you just click on the cross above the video, and as you can see, the comment is instantly deleted. Friends, this is the very simple way you can easily see and manage your YouTube comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, write your comments, be sure to put your likes. See you soon.